The bee is always busy. It builds the hive very skillfully and stores sweet honey in it. Like the bee, we too must be busy and always do useful work. Hi everyone. In this video, we will study the poem The Little Busy Bee. Poet Isaac Watts. Isaac Watts was born on July 17, 1674 and died on November 25, 1748. He had mastered Latin, Greek, Hebrew, and French. The first hymn book composed by him for children was Ars Lyrica. His popular hymns are O God, our help in ages past, the Psalms of David, and Jesus shall reign. How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. In the first stanza, the poet speaks about the busy bee. How doth? Doth is the old form of does. The poet spends his time wondering how the little honey bee is busy, how it becomes energetic as the day grows, and further he wonders how the bee can gather honey all day from flower to flower. How skillfully she builds her cell, how neatly she spreads her wax, and labors hard to store it well with the sweet food she makes. In the second stanza, poet tells how the bee builds its hive skillfully. The hive is beautiful to see and it has hundreds of compartments. It is strong and made up of wax that is secreted in its body. It converts nectar into honey, which is sweet and healthy. The bees labor hard to store the honey well. In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too, for Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. In the third stanza, the poet is inspired by the bee and wants to be like it. Whenever he wants to do some work or show his skill, he will be busy doing it. The poet wants to spend his boyhood days by reading good books, playing and doing some good and useful work. Every human being could be busy like bee and do useful work. He even feels that Satan will influence an idle person. Satan means evil spirit. In books or work or healthful play, let my first years be passed, that I may give for every day some good account at last. In the fourth stanza, the poet wishes to spend his childhood reading books, working and playing healthy games. In everything he does, the poet wants to pass with flying colors to give a good account of what he does. The poet speaks about himself and wants us to be like a busy bee in our work. We should not be tempted to be idle or sit around doing nothing. Satan in the poem refers to devil or some evil being who injures the idle person. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.